Why do 70% of new artists struggle to get their music on Spotify? It's easier than you think. First, you need a music distributor. Think of them as the middleman between you and Spotify. Popular Choices, TuneCore, DistroKid, and iMusician. Next, sign up with your chosen distributor. Create your account and get ready to upload. Before you upload, make sure your music is in a high-quality format like WAV. No one wants to hear low-quality tunes, right? Now, upload your audio files, cover art, and provide metadata, album title, release date, and credits. Details matter. Don't forget your collaborators. Add their names so they can get their share of royalties. Finally, submit your release. Your distributor reviews it, and if all looks good, they upload it to Spotify. Once it's up, claim your Spotify for Artist Profile. This lets you manage your profile and track your song's performance. And that's it. You've just learned the easiest way to get your music on Spotify. Time to let the world hear your sound.